Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix if TikTok app keep crashing. If TikTok keep crashing, close by itself or does not open properly, don't worry, this is the common problem and can be fixed. First, check your internet connection. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. It will open Control Center. From here, you can switch to strong Wi-Fi or mobile data, or weak connection can cause TikTok to crash. The next step is to restart your phone. This clear temporary problem and helps app to work better. Now check for the update. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type TikTok and search for the TikTok app and tap update if available. An old version can cause app to be crashed. If you are using an iPhone and still you are facing this problem, delete the TikTok app and reinstall it. You can also log out and log back into your TikTok account. This can fix account related issues. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.